Right, so I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player on your Google Smart TV. Now, VLC Media Player is awesome for playing media from a USB flash drive or from an external hard drive. So what you want to do is simply go to the apps list and then scroll across all the way to the end and click on Add Apps. So that takes you to the apps page. You want to go down to the search function and just search VLC. And then go down to the search function and click on it.
Results for VLC.
And from the results, just go ahead and select VLC for Android and then click on the install button and have it installed. Once it's done, you can now launch it and it should always be available for you. Now, of course, if it's the first time, you're going to have to give some permissions. For instance, permission to access your storage, and now you can start VLC. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.